The real reason why the Ratha Yatra happens and why Lord Jagannath wants to go on it, he's so keen and he looks forward for this, is that he is not able to forget Vrindavan. So he wants to exhibit this pastime to everybody and to participate in it. He wants to remember Vrindavan. You see, the attachment that Krishna has to the residents of Vrindavan is so strong that despite having all the transcendental opulences in Dwarka, despite being served by 16,108 queens so nicely, and by so many other Dwarka Vasis also with so much devotion, he is still not fully satisfied. He still remembers Vrindavan. In fact, there are occasions when he would get up in the middle of the night and he would be talking in his sleep sometimes and chanting the names of the gopis, chanting the names of the Brajbasis, chanting sometimes Vrindavan, Vrindavan. This is the extent of the attachment that Krishna had towards Vrindavan. And so because Krishna had to leave Vrindavan and he was in Dwarka, so he was feeling separation. So when Jagannath remembers, so when Krishna is feeling intense separation from the Brajbasis and especially from Radharani, he takes on the form of Lord Jagannath. So this form of Lord Jagannath is feeling of separation personified. When Krishna feels such intense separation that it becomes unbearable, he takes on this form of Lord Jagannath. So Lord Jagannath is a very special form. So now when Jagannath goes on the Ratha Yatra, he's doing that because even though he neglected the Brajbasis by leaving Vrindavan and going to Mathura and then to Dwarka, he still could not forget them. So he comes on the Ratha Yatra. He is returning to Vrindavan, so to speak, when he embarks on this procession. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu participated in the Ratha Yatra, he was actually examining Lord Jagannath, that is Lord Krishna, to see whether he had forgotten the residents of Vrindavan or not. So to test him, he would come back. He would come behind the Ratha of Lord Jagannath. And Lord Jagannath would pass the test with flying colors. Because he would stop. His cart would stop. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would understand that because I have gone behind, and remember again, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Srimati Radharani, is in Srimati Radharani's mood. So because I have come behind and Lord Jagannath is not able to see me, he has stopped, which means that he has not forgotten me and the residents of Vrindavan. And in this way, Srila Kaviraj Goswami explains that Lord Jagannath or Lord Krishna is making a statement that without the Brajbasis and specifically without Srimati Radharani, there is no happiness for him. He does not feel that transcendental ecstasy without Srimati Radharani in particular and the other Brajbasis in general.